Finished up pretty good. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I was up at camp doing a little bit of deer hunting. Didn't see no deer yet, just because I didn't hunt much. But I had an axe head that I wanted to use. But if you see the eye on that axe head, it's small and very oval. So up here in Gladwin, Michigan, I can take the trees off my property to the Amish, and they will cut it into lumber for 15 cents a board foot. So last time we took trees to get them cut, I took a couple of standing dead ash logs, and I had them cut me some lumber. So this is an ash board from a standing dead. It's got knots and stuff in it, so I was avoiding the knots and trying to keep things fairly straight. And it's my first time, so I've got better boards than this. I just didn't want to use them because this is the first time I've done it. So I wanted to make a handle for this head. I'm going to give it to my brother-in-law for Christmas. And I had this broken handle, and I said, well, let's try and make something out of it. So I laid the handle on here, and I drew with a pencil around it. And I cut the handle out. I bought a little bandsaw at a garage sale for 20 bucks, put a new blade on it for 12. So we cut the handle out. My friend Dave Twig, if you watch my other videos, you've seen him throwing axes the other day, introduced me to flap sanders and angle grinders. So these, I think that flap sander there cost me, I think, $6. These things are unbelievable. So with the flap sander and I cut the pattern out on the bandsaw, took the flap sander and totally shaped this handle, I'm sorry. It needs a little more hand sanding. And now the head goes on here beautifully. So we are ready to finish sanding it, clean the head up, sharpen the head, and do cool stuff as well as buy cool stuff. Because this didn't take me maybe an hour. It really didn't take long. I'm amazed how well it went. Do something. Don't think about it. Just get up and do it. Figure out what it takes and do it. So go do something fun. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. Watch the other ones. I've got all kinds of videos. I do not follow YouTube's algorithm. I have videos on everything from fishing, hunting, shooting, buying, selling, anything you want. And like I always say, God bless you, God bless America. Like, comment, and subscribe.